Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first video of the Learn Python with ChatGPT series. Now, this series isn't just about learning Python. It's about learning how to learn using artificial intelligence. Today's world is moving fast, and if you want to keep up, or even get ahead, you need to know how to use AI tools in your learning process. You can use platforms like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Grok to get instant explanations, examples, and even code corrections. So, before we start coding, let's quickly talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced AI tool developed by OpenAI. Think of it as your friendly, super intelligent coding partner. You can ask it to explain concepts, break down complex code into simple terms, or even help you debug your programs. Instead of spending hours searching online, you can get help in seconds, in plain, human-like language. Now, what exactly is Python? Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages out there. You can use it to build websites, create mobile apps, analyze data, automate tasks, and even develop artificial intelligence systems. It's famous for being beginner-friendly, easy to read, and extremely versatile, making it a great first language to learn. Now the question is, why we should use AI to learn programming? We are living in the era of artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere, in our phones, search engines, cars, and even home appliances. If you want to compete in this AI-powered world, you can't ignore AI tools. Using AI in programming can save time, help you solve problems faster, and give you a huge competitive advantage. Here's the truth. Artificial intelligence is not going to replace programmers, but programmers who know how to use AI will replace those who don't. So, if you want to meet the challenges of the AI era, start learning it and using it in your workflow. Alright, let's start coding. Let's ask ChatGPT, please give me a roadmap to learn Python programming. ChatGPT will then return a complete roadmap, starting from the very basics all the way to advanced concepts. We will follow this roadmap, and in every upcoming video, we'll pick one topic from it, explain it in detail, and show examples. Now, we have created a roadmap to learn Python step by step. The very first step in that roadmap is Setup and Basics, and for that, we need to install Python and a code editor on our computer. Let's ask ChatGPT, explain how to install Python and a code editor to start using Python on PC or Mac. ChatGPT will now guide us through the entire installation process. First, let's learn how to install Python on PC or Mac. Head over to the official python.org website. Under the Downloads menu, you'll find the latest version of the Python. Click on the button to download the Python installer file. After completion of the downloading, open the folder and run the setup file to begin the installation process. Don't forget to check the Use Admin Privileges and Add Python to Path Check boxes. Click on the Custom Installation and follow the instructions to complete the installation process. Once Python's set up, let's grab a cool code editor to write and debug our code. We're going with the popular choice, Visual Studio Code. To install the Visual Studio Code, head over to the official Visual Studio Code website and click on the Download for Windows button to begin downloading the setup file. After downloading the setup file, click on the setup file to start the installation process, and follow the instructions to complete the downloading process. After Visual Studio Code installation, we need to install some extensions to run Python on the Visual Studio Code editor. Now, head over to the Extensions tab in VS Code and search for the Python extension. Click on Install. This extension is essential because it allows VS Code to understand and run Python code, providing features like syntax highlighting, debugging, and code suggestions. Next, search for the Code Runner extension. Code Runner makes it super easy to run your Python scripts with just a single click or shortcut without needing to open the terminal every time. It speeds up testing and experimenting with your code while you're learning. After installing both extensions, the next step is to create a folder on your computer to store your Python project files. You can choose any location you like and name the folder something simple, such as my_project, or pick any name you prefer. Once the folder is ready, click on New File and select Python as file type. This is where we'll start writing our Python code. Let's begin with the traditional first program, printing a message on the screen. Type the following code. We will use print function to write a simple Hello World message. After writing the code, make sure to save the file. Go to the File menu and click on Save. For example, I'll save it as test. You don't need to add PI extension at the end of the file name because VS Code already knows we're working with Python. Now, at the top right corner of VS Code, you'll see a Run button. This button appears because we installed the Code Runner extension. It makes running and testing code much easier. Simply click on the Run button, and you'll see the output displayed at the bottom in the Output panel. And that's it. You've just written and executed your very first Python program. So far, we've covered the basics: how to install Python on your computer, set up a code editor like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, and even write and run our very first Python program. In the next video, we'll start exploring Python fundamentals, such as the print, function, variables, data types, and type conversion. From there, in the upcoming videos, we'll go step by step, diving deeper into Python and moving from beginner to advanced concepts. So, stay tuned for the next video, where we'll continue our Python learning journey together with the help of ChatGPT.